Hi everyone, I'm recording this video in response to requests that I received. I had posted a video, I think it was last week, about phenomenal women, and people were asking how was I able to achieve this look right here, which is pretty much my bangs and a bun using my full head wrap. This is the full head wrap from the Ade collection. Ade means crown in Yoruba, so we're going to learn how to tie our crown on top of our head. So a couple things to keep in mind. This look, it turns out differently every time. I've done this multiple times and even the results looks different each time I do it. So don't get disappointed or frustrated if it doesn't look exactly like this. Just keep practicing and keep going with how your wrap is working at the moment. Another thing, this look can be achieved with or without the bangs. I thought it was kind of cool to have my bangs out, you know, have my hair out, but you know, like not too much, but like just a little bit, you know, just a little bit enough to have it out. But you couldn't achieve this without bangs if you don't want to have your hair out. If you have your baby hair and you want to lay to the Lord Jesus himself, you could do that too. You could swoop, lay to the Lord Jesus. But yeah, I think it's such a cool, cute look. It definitely works with longer, short hair. My hair is short. I recently cut it. So it works for me, but if you have longer hair, you could also achieve this look pretty simply. But yeah, let me know what you think. There's definitely more than one way to achieve this look. In my video, I'm showing you 2 ways. I'm generous, okay? I'm showing you 2 ways to achieve this look. But there's another way that I had posted about on Instagram and YouTube that shows it's a 4-knot turban, and it's not exactly the same but fairly similar concept. So yeah, let me know what you think. If you're able to recreate the look, please post it on social and tag Ayocathy1. And yeah, I look forward to seeing what you all recreate. Thank you and enjoy the video. To start with sectioning my hair for the bangs like this. Love my hair. I recently just cut it and colored it a couple months ago, so I am loving what I see here. But yeah, I sectioned up this the area for the bangs, and I'm going to then go ahead and wrap my wrap like so. So I'm gonna first start with the long section, put that on the nape of my neck. And then now I have 3 parts. I have this section right here, I have the middle section right here, and then I have the last section on the other side. So I'm going to tie both end sections on top of the middle section like this. Tie a knot. And there we go. Okay, so I just kind of want to make sure that my bangs did not get caught in the knot. And then I'm going to tie it again one more time. Like this. And then, so the middle section, sorry, make sure my bangs are not caught. Okay, so the middle section right here, I'm going to kind of scrunch it up. It's going to be the base of our bun. So I'm going to kind of scrunch it up like this. And you can kind of scrunch it up how big or how small you want it. And then I have both ends like this. I'm pretty much just going to wrap them around, wrap both ends around the base of the bun. Like this. Let me fix this. Okay, and then also wrap the other side into itself. And this is kind of sort of how I created this look. The lining, you don't want it showing because you just don't want it exposing your secret, because your secret is your secret. So I'm going to just kind of cover that up to make sure it is not exposed. But yeah, this is how I was able to create this look like this. Let me know what you think. I have a second way that you could recreate this look, and that's pretty much, let me just take this off, unravel this so you can see what I mean. Okay, but the second way is pretty much, you recall we had made 2 knots over the middle section. So this time I'm gonna start with just 1 knot. I'm gonna just take the whole thing off. 1 knot over the middle section, like this. And then I'm going to, the middle section, I'm gonna add it to either side. Doesn't matter which side you add it to, just add it together with one side. And then the side that's single by itself, you bring it underneath and you tie it as a knot. Okay, so we have here, one side has 2, the middle and the end, and then this side has just the 1 by itself. I'm pretty much just gonna, similar as what I did earlier, I'm going to pretty much tie this, wrap this around itself to create a bun. Like this. Tuck it, tuck, gain strong. Cool thing about the wrap is that this is the inside and this is the outside, but because they're pretty similar, it gives you some grace with your wrapping. So I am going to then just kind of combine this, wrap this over the bun like this, and make sure that my lining, inside lining, is not being exposed. And this is pretty much how I was able to create the look. Let me know what you think if you're able to achieve this look as well. And thank you for watching. See you later.